Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. It is rather disgusting to note that a judge, that too of the cadre of a district judge, was suspended for being involved in a sexual assault case, that too sodomy. It happened in Rajasthan. Of course, the sexual perversions are personal. One person, we cannot equate one person to another. Maybe a judge, maybe a magistrate, maybe a lawyer, maybe a businessman. He will have his own perversions. But when once you become a judge, so you must maintain the so-called professional ethics. So now this man was charged under section 377 IPC, that is unnatural offense, and different sections of the POCSO Act, that is the Prevention of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012. It has come into force. 377, it is in the IPC. Of course, Naz Foundation, very famous case, it said that consensual sex between same sex, that is between male and male or gay, LGBT, it is not illegal. But here, this is definitely an unnatural offense. Therefore, the section is still in existence. Coming to the facts of the case, Mr. Jitendra Singh, he is the ADJ, District Judge, for the so-called Prevention of Corruption Act in Bharatpur District Courts. Here we call it as ACB Court. He used to play tennis in Bharatpur Officers Club. There he got in touch with a boy of age about 10 or 11 years age, who is a ball picker in tennis court. And saying some sweet words, this man, the judge Jitendra Singh, took him to his residence. There he committed the so-called sexual assault, perverse act with sodomy or backfiring we call, after giving him a narcotic substance. So when he has gone into stupor, when he does not know what is happening, then this sexual assault has been committed. Then this judge has made a video and showed the same to the person, to that boy, and threatened him that if he divulges information to anybody, this will be uploaded and made viral. This is the thing happened. Please remember, these are the allegations. Later, this type of sexual assault has been carried on for about 1 month or 1.5 months. Then, since he was not feeling well, his mother inquired him. He has informed the same to his mother. Then the mother went to the judge and asked him as to what type of person he is, all these things. She has actually she is a labor woman. She has cursed him literally. Then he has apologized to the boy and the woman, and this was taken as a video somehow. I don't know how this has become taken as a video and it has become viral. Now she went to the police station, that is Mathura Gate Police Station, and she reported the matter, and a case under section 377 IPC and different sections of the POCSO Act have been registered against him. Then there is no other go. Rajasthan High Court, sensing the gravity of the situation, suspended him pending further inquiry. You may be knowing, suspension is one part. Definitely they should contemplate a departmental inquiry also, because he is under the so-called CCA rules. Just for our sake, we call it as CCA rules, Classification, Conduct and Appeal Rules. Judicial inquiry definitely should be done. And in the meanwhile, some more things. 2 other persons were also involved and they were also made an accuser, unfortunately. So his stenographer, Anshul Shaini, so he threatened this boy and another staffer. He is also another staffer. He also threatened this minor boy. The thing did not stop here. The judge informed Mr. Parmeshwarlal Yadav, who is ACB inspector, and this man called the parents and this boy and threatened them with life threat that he will involve in some other cases. So this Yadav was also suspended and pending a departmental inquiry. See how bad the situation is. Now all of them are facing the wrath. I don't know whether this is correct or not, because the judge also has given a counter case of extortion, 384 IPC. blackmailing, we can call it as. He has also given a counter case, which is true, which is not true, we do not know, but the matter has become sensational and sensitive also because he is a judge. Otherwise, if a normal person, okay, let him go to jail, we don't bother. POCSO Act, very serious act. Section 29 and 30, they ask the judge to draw inferences. So, sexual perversions may be there, it may be personal, but when you come to a stage of an officer cadre or a judge cadre, you must maintain the so-called professional ethics, otherwise things will happen like this. Anyway, bad incident which should not happen, that's why I am making this video. Otherwise, I am not interested in making such videos also. These are quite common things. But when you are in such a profession, you should maintain the so-called professional ethics. You should maintain dignity. If not, things will be like that. So when will he come out? Maybe 2 or 3 years. If the case is proved, he may have to go to the gallows. Very bad incident. So please, whoever sees this video, please be careful. No doubt, the persons may have their own perversions, but there should be some secrecy. Otherwise, things will be, if it is open, you have to go to the jail. Thank you very much.